In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a corporate BlockSettle account. Go to our webpage and press Create Account in the top right. Then select Corporate. Enter the email tied to your AuthID account. If you're not familiar with AuthID, then press Get Started and download the app. The onboarding at Auth requires a passport and a proof of residency, and it usually doesn't take more than an hour during business days to get approved. If you've already been verified by AuthID, then enter the email tied to your AuthID account and press Continue. You will then have to answer a few quick due diligence questions. Check the boxes that apply to you and continue. Then identify yourself with AuthID on your phone. Once the account is created, you will be asked to answer a few questions about your company and upload documents that will be submitted for review. Among the documents are the Certificate of Incorporation, Proof of Company Address, Register of Directors, and Shareholder Register, as well as passports and proof of address for all board members and shareholders with more than 25% of the company shares that are not the account representative. If you're unsure what a certain field means, you can hover over the question mark next to the question to get a more detailed description of what is required. Once all of the details have been uploaded, you can submit them for review. The accounts are reviewed during business hours, and review usually doesn't take more than an hour. When the review is complete, you will be notified by email. If your application needs to be amended, an explanation will be given in the email. If your application passes the review, your account will be upgraded to dealing participant.